Welcome back to a landscaping series. In today's episode, we are going to explore the captivating world of music in landscaping. Music, a universal language, has always played a significant role in human life, stirring emotions, bringing joy, and creating unforgettable moments. You might be wondering what is the connection between landscaping and a music system? Well, just like how a beautifully designed landscape can uplift our spirits, the right music can add an extra layer of magic to the outdoor experience. It's a perfect harmony of nature and sound. Benefits of having a music system. Let's delve into the amazing benefits of having a music system in your landscape. Ambience and relaxation. A well-chosen melody or soothing tunes can instantly transform your garden into a serene and relaxing haven. Imagine unwinding amidst nature's beauty while gentle melodies embrace your senses. Enhance entertaining experience. Whether it's a backyard party or a cozy gathering, the right music sets the tone and ambience, making your outdoor events truly memorable. Stress relief and meditation. Music has the power to reduce stress and promote mental well-being. With a music system in your landscape, you can escape the pressures of daily life and find solace in the embrace of nature and soulful melodies. Connection with nature. The right music complements the natural surroundings, creating a harmonious connection between your landscape and your senses. Peculiarity of music system provided by Cochin Granites. Now, let's discover the uniqueness of music system provided by Cochin Granites. Automatic music system. Set the perfect ambience with Cochin Granites automated music system that plays at specific preset times, ensuring your garden is filled with delightful melodies throughout the day. Cultural harmony. Embrace the rich diversity of religious faith and beliefs by programming specific songs for morning and evening, like the Bhupra Raga at sunrise and the Shivaranjani Raga at sunset, respecting all religions. Mood enhancing ragas. Cochin Granites music system features time-related specific ragas, promoting a healthy and joyful mood for you and your guest. Discreet and ornamental. Say goodbye to visible speakers that disrupt your landscape's beauty. Cochin Granite speakers are cleverly designed as ornamental elements like mushrooms or rocks, blending seamlessly with nature. Watering system intimation. The music system also acts as a useful tool to alert people about the automated watering system, preventing accidental water encounters. Tips for keeping a good music system. To ensure your music system stays in top-notch condition, consider these tips. Regular maintenance. Schedule routine maintenance to keep your music system functioning flawlessly and delivering the best sound experience. Weather protection. Shield your music system from harsh weather elements by providing appropriate covers or enclosures. Volume control. Be mindful of the volume to respect your neighbor's peace and create a comfortable atmosphere. Music in landscaping truly adds a touch of enchantment to your outdoor spaces, enriching your connection with nature. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with fellow landscaping enthusiasts. Thank you for joining us today. Until next time, keep your gardens blooming and your melodies soaring. Happy landscaping!